Welcome to Train and Test. Today I'll show you an amazing way to track all your equity investments through Google Sheets by using a simple formula. This will help you with listing all your investments in a single sheet and to have a quick view of your current standings without switching multiple web pages or going back and forth on your favorite investment app. So let's get started. Let's say you have invested in these 5 companies. To make your own investment tracker on Google Sheets, you just need to look for ticker code for all the companies that you're invested in. And you can look for these ticker codes using a simple Google search. Let's say, for example, I have to search for a ticker code for Tata Power or maybe Adani Power. All I have to do is go to Google search, write the name of the stock exchange from which I have made the purchase, which is BSE in my case for Adani Power, and I'll just simply press enter. And this is the ticker code for Adani Power. So I'll update all the ticker codes here and mention the cost at which I have made the purchase of each of these companies. And to calculate the current price, I can use the Google Finance function, which is available in Google Sheets, which takes ticker as an input and attribute, and you can define the attribute which you want as an output. So in our case, in this case, since I'm looking for a price, let me just mention price and hit enter. Now this will automatically give you the output or the current price of this particular stock. If you want to look at the 52-week high of the same stock, the formula remains the same. The attribute would change to I52. And to calculate the 52-week low, you have to again hit the formula. Select the ticker and mention as attribute, and there you go. And you can simply drag and drop to calculate the 52-week low for all of your stocks in one go. I hope you like this video. Please do share your comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.